Hello, Miss Golden Girl, and it is Wednesday, February the 11th, 2026, and I was off work today, so I've been busy doing some chores. Check me out. Here I did my laundry, got the uniforms ready for another 2 days. I worked Monday and Tuesday off today, so there's my shirts. Got my apron. See here, my apron. I have to wash my apron each time after working because it gets dirty. I only have one apron. Got 2 shirts, so I can go 2 days and then laundry up my shirts. Hey, stay tuned. I got something else to share. So I put a roast in the crock pot. Look, I got roast, carrots, and potatoes. Do you still cook in the crock pot? I didn't take the roast out to thaw until this morning, so I didn't really get it in the crock pot until 1:30. So here I am having a late dinner. But I'm going to eat some of this. Yes, I am. Miss Golden Girl. All right. Till later. Bye.